Step 1. The default initial password for the lock is 00000. You can open the lock normally using this code. Step 2. To reset the password, unlock the lock and locate the reset indicator. Rotate the dial in the direction of the arrow until it reaches a 90-degree angle from its original position. This action puts the lock in password reset mode. Adjust the digits as desired to set your new password. After setting the new password, turn the reset button back to its original position to complete the setup. Remember your new password once it's set.